How to screenshot on PicsArt. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can screenshot on PicsArt. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up PicsArt application. After that, you can either log in into your Google account or create one account. Once you're logged in, now to take screenshot, first of all you have to load up the image that you would like to edit in screenshot. Tap on the plus icon. Now you can create a new project. Tap on edit a photo. Now from your device, select your image that you would like to edit on PicsArt. Now once you're here, you can edit your picture, and once you have your image that you're done with editing, now if you want to screenshot, the screenshot depends upon your device. If you are using your Android device, then to take screenshot, all you have to do is press your power button and your volume down key together. Now I have taken a screenshot, as you can see on this interface. Now you could simply open up the screenshot from your gallery and then edit and crop out your image or your edited image. So that's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.